this video, I'm going to show you how you can search for any channel on WhatsApp. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. As you can see, these are the current WhatsApp channels that I have. And if you are searching or you want to find any, first go and open your WhatsApp and go to updates here. This will highlight the current channels that you have joined. But should you want to join any channel or find any channel, go to find channels to follow. Here you can see some of the suggested channels that you can follow. However, should you still find that the channel you wish to follow is not here, then you can just head to this search icon here, tap on it and search the channel by name. For instance, if you want to join maybe BBC channel, by typing it, you can see we have BBC News, BBC and other related BBC channels here. Now identify which one you wish to follow. For my case, I'll wish to follow BBC News channel, so I'll just tap on follow here, and by tapping on this, now I can start viewing all the updates and publications on BBC News channel. Now any other time that I go back or I come to channels here, you can see BBC News is among the channels that I follow. So that's how you can find and follow any channel on WhatsApp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.